Children, Standard 3 English Grammar. Children, we are discussing articles. Already we discussed about uses using a and an. Okay. Now let us see about the other article the. What are the articles, children? A and the. We discussed already about a and an. A we use in front of a consonant sound, and we use in front of a word that begins with the vowel sound. That we already discussed. Now let us see where do we use and when do we use the. Okay, that is the third article. Now let us see here. The is also an article. It is used before a specific person, place or thing. I have not yet seen the Taj Mahal. The United States of America celebrates 4th July as Independence Day. The is used before the names of the following. So, let us see what all places we use the. First one is rivers. The Ganga, the Narmada, the Brahmaputra. In front of all the rivers, we should put the. Okay. Then seas and oceans. The Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So that way in front of all the oceans also we should use the. Mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the Aravalis, the Vindhyas. So all the mountains we should put the. Some countries. In front of some countries also we use the Netherlands, the United States of America, etc. Famous buildings, famous historical buildings and all also we should use the. The Charminar, the Hawa Mahal, etc. Clear? The Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal. Holy books and newspapers. Holy books like the Bible, Quran, these are all holy books, is it not? So we should use the in front of the holy books, the Bible, the Hindustan Times, newspapers also. The Hindustan Times, the Hindu, the Times of India. Special objects, that is like the sun, the moon, in front of them also. Now, so where do we use, children? We should use the in front of rivers, seas and oceans, mountain ranges, some countries like Netherlands, United States of America, famous buildings, holy books and newspapers, and special objects. Yes, children? And one more thing, let us learn. We use a or an when we speak about a person, place, animal, or thing. An animal for the first time, when we speak about it again, we use the. Got, children? The anyway we should use in front of rivers, oceans, mountain ranges, countries, buildings, holy books, newspapers, sun, moon. Not only that, we also use, clear, see the sentence first, last two lines you see. A girl is reciting a poem. The girl is my cousin. See, girl only in the same line girl came, is it not? First time we used a girl we used. Why? Because it is single and also consonant sound. But same girl, the word girl is repeated. Here we used the. Remember that. Clear? The is used when the same noun is repeated in the sentence. Robin ate an orange. Now first time orange came, no? So here we said an. Then the orange was not very sweet. Now second time when the orange word repeated, we used the. Clear, children? So the is used not only in front of rivers, oceans, mountain ranges, some countries, famous buildings, holy books and newspapers, special objects. Not only that, even any common noun, when it comes second time in the sentence, we have to use the. Okay, children? Let us stop here. We shall discuss once again. Thank you.